All right, I had a company reach out to me and wanting to know if I wanted to review one of their little air pumps. I said, sure. So they send them to me. So let me show you what they are or what it is. All right. It is the Airmoto Smart Air Pump. Here's the back of it if you want to see that. And if you need to see it any longer, just pause the video. And also, if you want to get one of these, there'll be a description down there or a link down there in the description for you to pick one of these up. These are awesome. Anyway, let me get this box opened up and show you what it looks like. I just wanted to show you. It just slides in. It's kind of tight, kind of hard to get it off, but it's nothing to it. Set that over out of the way. Here's the box. It doesn't have any kind of markings on it. It's packaged really well, I will say that. Comes with a booklet. And I'll pause the video and read through that real quick. Another one of them. And I guess this is, let me set this down. This is a carry bag for you to put it in so it don't get damaged while it's being carried around in your vehicle. Look how small that is. If it works, that's pretty cool. That can go in your glove box. You don't have to have no special compartment or anything to carry it around. It's nice to have in your vehicle just in case. And I guess this is the charging cord and a couple air adapters. Anyway, I don't even know if it's charged. We'll find that out in a minute, right? And here is the unit. Slide it out of there. Just looking at it real quick. It's pretty cool. Look at that. See where it says deflate? Make sure I was holding it the right way. Air storage goes in there, or air hose. Let's see, it's got a protective film on it. We'll lose that. Then again, I probably should have left it on there, but whatever. All right, and while you're storing it in your vehicle, you could probably even keep it in the box if you wanted to. Here is the air hose. Apparently it does not have a quick connect. It just screws onto your valve stem. And it connects right there. Let's see. Probably should check first. Huh, that's pretty cool. I don't know which end's supposed to go in there or if it even matters. Probably should read the book first, but this hose goes in here to store it out of the way. Then you just smash that button on the back to get it out. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Anyway, let me get it on here. It just screws on. Pretty simple. And let's see if we can turn it on. Oh, it looks like it came with a full charge on the battery. Huh. So let me read through the instructions and everything and I'm going to hold the instructions up right here for you to see this part. Hopefully you can see that. Let me turn this back on. You just press it and hold it and it comes on, and then the center button, and you just press it in and hold it and it'll cut it off. Now you see right there how it shows a car. Now it is a motorcycle, now a bicycle, a ball. I don't know what that is unless that's the custom mode because it shows the modes are car mode, motorcycle, bicycle, ball, and custom. And then it goes back to the car. Now on the custom, you can go all the way up to, it says 120 PSI. Highly doubt that would something like this, but it's what it says. And let me hold it up one more time so you can see the PSIs on there. I don't know if it's going to focus on it or not, but different settings for different things you're going to air up. So, oh, did I mention I got something exciting at the end of this video? So you stick around to the end and you're going to like it. Pretty exciting. I'm excited about it. You will be too, I hope. So let's see how it airs up a tire. Okay, got that tire aired down to 22.5 pounds. I don't know if you can see that or not. I don't know if I can zoom in and show you. It's kind of hard to read. Let me see, hold on. I don't know if you can see what it says there or not. You just have to take my word for it. It's 22.5 pounds. Okay. So, I guess let's figure out how to use this, huh? And I got it set to 35 PSI. And just short press. Not all that loud. That's good. Don't know how long it's going to take to air up this big tire. Okay. I'm going to stop this and try a different setting and see if it'll air it up any faster. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, I guess I have it on the custom mode and it's automatically sets the pressure to 100. Obviously, you can push this button in to stop it before it gets to 100. Let's see if it airs any faster. So you can stop it, but also the battery is looking like it's going low. I did not charge this. I used it right out of the box. So I probably should have charged it first. Anyway, let's go. Okay, I'm going to stop it there. Let's go back in the garage. Okay, here's my thoughts on this thing. Let me turn it back on. It works pretty good, but you see the battery. And you could hear it kind of going down. It don't say the battery's dead. It just needs to be charged. So I probably should have charged it up fully before I did this video. But as you've seen, it did say it was fully charged. So I don't know about that. I don't know if this battery would last long enough to even air up one tire if it was flat. Maybe this is not fit for a big truck tire like that. And it didn't air up any faster with it set on the custom mode or whatever it's called. Yeah, custom mode. It does have a flashlight on it. I forgot to mention that. You hold this top button in, long press, and it turns the light on and off. That's pretty cool. But it's for a car, this may work really well. But for a big truck tire, maybe not so much. I don't have a car here at the moment to test it on, but I need to charge it back up anyway, so I'm going to do that. So my exciting news is I am going to give one of these away because they was nice enough to send me 2 of them. Obviously, this one is the one I already opened. This is a new one, never been opened. So I'm going to give one of these away. Now, if you're going to comment that you like it or you don't like it or whatever, you can do that. But if you're wanting to comment to win this, just put Airmoto, their name, right there, Airmoto. Comment Airmoto. Let's see, I'll give it a week, and then I'll do a draw, random comment picker, and we'll announce the winner. So, like for smaller tires, car tires, motorcycle tires, scooter tires, bicycle tires, this would probably work great. It wasn't getting hot or anything, even though this did. which it tells you in the paperwork that this gets hot. So you've got to watch touching that right after you use it. So like I said, it's small, compact, easy to store away. Store away it in your glove box or your center console if you have one, or under the seat if you want to, or even in the trunk of your car if you want to put it there. So if you want to win one, Airmoto in the comment. And a week from now, I'll do a random comment picker and pick a winner. That's all I got for this video. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.